Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This places color controls where Apple centralizes vision options. Once there, you'll see Color Filters. Tap it to reveal the toggle. You do this because filters alter screen rendering system-wide, not just individual apps. Make sure to keep your phone steady and read labels. Some filters change contrast and hue intentionally. If your device prompts for permission or updates, accept them so the controls appear precisely where described. You toggle color filters on, then choose the preset that matches your needs. For color blindness, pick red/green or green/red. For tint preference, try blue/yellow, or use grayscale to remove color. Once selected, use the intensity and hue sliders to calibrate. Small changes matter. They shift contrast and saturation across the UI. Make sure to preview in real apps like Photos and Safari, because the setting affects images and web content differently, so test until text and icons are clear. You finish by adding color filters to the Accessibility shortcut. Open Accessibility shortcut, then check Color Filters so a triple click toggles them instantly. Once done, practice the shortcut. It saves time when lighting changes. If filters don't apply, restart your iPhone and re-enable the toggle. That refreshes system rendering. As a final fix, reset display and text size settings if colors still look wrong. This clears accidental edits and restores predictable behavior across apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.